Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to sign in Gusto account. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar, type in gusto.com, press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Gusto. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for sign in. Simply click on it. Now you'll be led to the sign in interface of Gusto. From here you'll be able to sign in to your account. You can either sign in to your account by providing your credentials, or you can also sign in with Google or sign in with Giro. So if you want to sign in by providing email, simply click on the field of email. Now what you have to do is enter your email over here. If you've forgotten your email, click on the option forget email and you'll be able to recover it. After that, what you have to do is enter your password. Simply enter your password over here. If you've forgotten your password, click on the option forget password and you'll be able to reset it. Otherwise, simply enter your password. Now after entering the credentials, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be logged into your Gusto account. So that is how you sign in Gusto account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.